So this is the premium multi-angle, multifunctional butane soldering torch kit from Berkling. This can also be used for so many other occasions, but first off, look at this thing. It comes in a really nice hard plastic case and it's very well organized. The torch has a heavy duty, high quality feel, and yeah, if you just have it in your hands, you can tell this thing is gonna last. The mechanism to change the angle is easy to adjust, but also clips into place solidly. And you can fill up your butane at the bottom, and you can see that there's levels here so you know when it's empty. And you can twist on the gas and hit this button to ignite, and yep, it works so well. I love this thing, but also check this out. They have a stand for it. You have your solder wires and also different solder tips. And you also have other tips like this hot air tip, which gives a much smaller target, but also you could put the jumbo flame tip on and you can just pop off this part right here and you can attach this one here. And wow, look at the size of this flame. This thing is awesome. It's very impressive. It also comes with a heat shrink deflector and a nice set of instructions to look over. This is such an amazing set. Seriously, it's perfect for soldering or even starting your fire in your fireplace or bonfires. It's just such high quality and I'm happy to highly recommend this. And as always, thanks so much for watching.